Good morning everyone, I am Dr. Pradeep, I am a psychiatrist. Today I will be talking about anger management. First of all, why do we get angry? We get angry due to only three reasons. Our desire remains unfulfilled, our expectations remain unfulfilled, we are not allowed to communicate what we wanted to. Is anger a completely negative emotion? Not really. It's natural to get angry to some extent. Even history has so many examples of incidents where an insult provoked much anger, which actually resulted in important creations and victories. One example is Guru Chanakya, who was badly insulted for his ugliness by King Dhanananda in a royal ceremony. He channeled his anger into determination and made Chandragupta Maurya the emperor and took revenge for the insult. Limited anger, channeled properly, definitely helps us fight for our rights and safeguard our self-esteem. What we are worried about is the typical and commonest destructive expression of anger. It requires only a few seconds to get angry. When we get angry, our blood pressure shoots up, our heart rate increases and we sweat. Sometimes there can be very serious repercussions too. But it takes a lot of time to return to normal in terms of physical and mental parameters. From the human mind's perspective, the events which trigger anger come with a lot of emotions like irritability, sadness and low self-esteem. All these emotions get even stronger and darker with the mental revision of these incidents. Our ability to work diminishes and we lose a lot of our precious time in the whole process. Also, we end up saying things we don't mean. So, what can we do to control this anger? Consuming a glass of cold water instantaneously reduces anger and its outward expressions. Before shouting at people, we must ask ourselves three questions. What I am going to say, is it good? Is it going to serve any positive purpose? Is it essential to talk right now? If the answer to any of these questions is no, then please wait for some time before speaking. If an argument is essential, then express your point in an even and calm tone. Respect the other person. Don't use superlatives. Don't use words like always and worst. Avoid abusive languages. Talk about the incident alone and don't refer to past occurrences. The ancient method of counting up to 100 before uttering a word is also effective. Instead of speaking out, if we divert our attention to the bodily changes we are experiencing when we get angry, we calm down easily. Humor is magical in these circumstances. When you get angry, remember a joke. It is a strong antidote to anger. If we know the factors under our control and the factors beyond our control clearly, then the calculation becomes easy. The behavior of others, including that of our loved ones, is not in our control. The only things completely in our control are our reactions and expression of emotions. One must be aware of these things all the time. Press the middle finger of your hands for a minute, each by encircling it with the fingers of the other hands. This is a well-known acupuncture method and many people claim relief from it. A good lifestyle, a good food, good sleep and daily exercise is responsible for a balanced body and mind. Milk is rich in tryptophan, which is responsible for reducing impulsivity. When we exercise, endorphins are secreted in the brain. They are natural mood lifters and help to reduce stress. Thought stopping methods like imagining a stick hitting your head whenever you get these negative thoughts help in reducing unwanted thoughts. Self-hypnosis, progressive muscle relaxation exercises, breathing exercises and yoga help us in controlling negative emotions and anger. Another anger management technique is praying every day. Prayer cleanses negative emotions and helps us forgive others and ourselves. If you feel that these solutions are not working for you, consult a mental health care provider. There are effective medicines for anger management in psychiatry which can properly address the issue. So, what can be done to improve your reactions to others' criticism to enhance your self-esteem? Whenever you face any criticism, analyze whether it was provided from a point of view of improvement. In other words, see if it is constructive. If you see that there is some point in it, try to improve yourself based on this feedback. If you feel that it was pointless and done only from a point of view of pulling you down, ignore it. Don't allow those negative comments or criticism to linger in your mind if you feel that they are pointless. How can you do it? Imagine I want to gift you a book. You say, I don't want it. With whom does the book remain? With me, right? Similarly, if you refuse to accept those negative comments, they remain with the person who made the comment. Thank you.